understanding a major force in global politics. Conservatism isn't some obscure niche philosophy. It's a powerful force that has shaped and continues to shape political landscapes across the globe. From the United States and the United Kingdom to India and Japan, conservative parties and movements wield significant influence. They often hold key positions in government, drive policy debates, and shape national discourse. By studying conservatism, we gain a clear understanding of the motivations, values, and goals that animate these political actors. We can better comprehend the policies they advocate for, the arguments they put forth, and the impact they have on our lives and communities. Grasping the roots of contemporary issues. Many of the most pressing issues of our time, from debates about economic inequality and social welfare to discussions about cultural identity and national security, are deeply intertwined with conservative ideas and principles. Take, for instance, the ongoing debate about the role of government in society. Conservative perspectives on this issue, with their emphasis on individual liberty and limited government intervention, have shaped the political landscape in many countries. Understanding these perspectives is essential for anyone seeking to navigate and contribute to these crucial conversations. Developing critical thinking skills. Studying conservatism isn't just about absorbing information, it's about sharpening our critical thinking skills. As we examine different strands of conservative thought, we are forced to grapple with complex questions about human nature, social order, and the proper role of government. We learn to evaluate different arguments, weigh competing values, and develop our own informed perspectives. This process of critical engagement is invaluable regardless of our personal political leanings. It helps us become more thoughtful, nuanced thinkers capable of engaging in constructive dialogue across ideological divides. Broadening our perspectives. In a world that often seems polarized and divided, understanding different perspectives is more important than ever. Studying conservatism allows us to step outside of our own echo chambers and engage with ideas that may challenge our assumptions and expand our understanding of the world. It's important to note that studying conservatism doesn't mean agreeing with every aspect of it. In fact, it's through critical engagement and respectful dialogue that we can truly appreciate the strengths and weaknesses of different viewpoints. Uncovering historical connections. Conservatism isn't a static ideology. It has a long and rich history that has shaped its evolution and adaptation over time. By studying the historical development of conservative thought, we can gain valuable insights into the social, economic, and political forces that have shaped our world. We can trace the roots of conservative ideas to ancient philosophers and political thinkers, explore how those ideas have been interpreted and reinterpreted in different contexts, and understand how they continue to influence contemporary debates.